In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add emojis to your videos in CapCut PCs or Mac. To begin, I've imported this video clip onto my timeline over here. So the first thing you need to do is to move your player to the position where you want this emoji to appear. The next thing you need to do is to go over to the text over here and select text and add a default text to your timeline over here. So what I'm going to do is to adjust the duration of this text to how long I want my emojis to appear, and come over here and change the text to say whatever you want. But if you do not want any text added to it, you can simply just take away the text. To pick a color for my text, I'm just going to give this the yellow color over here. Now, the next thing I need to do, if you are using a Mac, all you need to do is to hit Command and Space to make the emojis appear. But since I'm using Windows, I'm going to come over to this website over here, emojipedia.org, and search for any emoji you are looking for. I'm going to look for smiley face and hit Enter. And scroll down and look for any emoji you like. If you see one you'd prefer, just select it and hit Copy. Next, come back over here to CapCut and hit Ctrl+V to paste it. And that's it, guys, on how to add emojis to your videos in CapCut PC.